Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prioritizing what matters now. Pause OneDrive sync and scan your synced folders to count files and total size so you know the workload. Next, exclude large media, temp, and archive folders to stop unnecessary upload traffic. Turn on files on demand so only placeholders download. This lowers local I/O and speeds current sync. Once done, resume sync for the prioritized files and watch throughput increase, because fewer items compete for bandwidth and disk access. Now you optimize the network and OneDrive client. Choose a wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for stability, because fewer retransmits means faster effective sync. In the OneDrive settings, set upload and download limits to a higher, stable number that your connection can sustain. This prevents auto-throttling. Reduce concurrent file transfers if disk I/O is the bottleneck, and make sure other cloud apps are paused. These changes balance network and disk resources so sync completes faster. Finish by verifying. Open the OneDrive status and look for failed items, then retry or move problematic files out temporarily so the rest can finish. Make sure OneDrive and your OS are updated. Patches often fix performance bugs. If sync stalls, reset the OneDrive client or use selective sync to remove and re-add the problematic folder. One key tip: if a specific file repeats an error, rename or compress it and reintroduce it. That often clears hidden locks or metadata issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.